Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well, and I request you all to please subscribe to my YouTube channel as there is lot of informative content coming soon which will be helpful for you. And now in this video, as you can see on the screen, we will learn about how to fetch all object API names using dynamic apex. As you can see on the screen, I have already opened the article which I have written for salesforcewords.com. You can find the article link in the description below. And let's start with learning how to fetch all object API names. So as you can see on screen, first of all, what we will do is we will create a map to store the API name along with the label. As you can see on screen, this is the map which we will create. After that, we will use the get global describe method of schema class, which will return a map where the key will be the API name of the object and the value will be the S object type. Now after getting this global describe map, what we will do is we will loop through the map, all the keys of the map we will loop through, and from that we will find the information about the objects. The information which I am talking about is the name and the label of the object. So let's go back to the developer console and open the anonymous window and write the code. As you can see, I have already opened the anonymous window, and let's start with writing the code. First of all, we will create a map. So I will copy the map which I have created. As you can see on the screen, this is the map which we will create. It will have uh, the data type as string, both are string. So it will store the API name of the object along with the label. Now let's create another map for storing the result of this get global describe method. So let me copy the method and paste it here. As you can see, here we are using get global describe method of the schema class, and it will return a map of string comma schema.s object type. Now let's loop through the map. So for string, and let's give it a name global describe map key, global describe key, and then we will use this key set method on this map which will give all the keys. So key set method we will use, and let's write the curly brackets, and after that let's get the current S object type. So schema dot S object type, and let's give it a name current S object type, and we will use this map global describe map dot get, and we will pass the key global describe key. Now we have the access to the object, and let's get the describe S object result. So schema dot describe S object result current S object result equals to let's get this current S object type, and here we will use the method get describe. Now let's put this information, the label and the API name, into the map. So we will use map dot put, and let's use this current S object result dot get name. It will get the API name, and the second method is get label. It will get the label of the object. And now we will write the for loop to iterate through iterate through the map and print the object API name along with the label. Let's execute this code. Let's execute code, and let's go back to the developer console. As you can see, the log is opening. Let's click on debug only, and as you can see on the screen, here on the left hand side we are getting all the API names. After this arrow we are getting the labels. Let's scroll down For order item, you can see the label is order product. Activity history, it is activity. Let's see for account, where is account? So account, the label is label and the API name is same for contact, same for lead. Let's also search for opportunity, will be below here, opportunity here. This is how you can fetch the API name of all the objects using dynamic apex in Salesforce. I will leave the link of this article in the description below. Please go to the article, check the code and try it yourself, and you will learn a lot about one of the use case of dynamic apex. Thank you very much.